I would like to thank all individuals and companies and agencies that have supported me in my effort to heal the nation's youth, give them a voice and find solutions to their problems. Let's continue the fight. I'm tired of the youth telling me that they have no motivation, no inspiration, no drive to live, no money for tertiary education, no one to care and talk to, no one there to listen to them. Let us inspire our youth and eradicate sexual abuse now. Talk up society, talk up youth. I know we can do this. We can make our children's lives better. If each one teach one, each one inspire one, then we can truly sing, Jamaica, Jamaica, Jamaica land we love. Email me, talkupyouth@gmail.com. That's talkupyout@gmail.com. And I will tell you some of the truth of our current youth situation. I'm Emprezz, just a woman that loves my people.